They're hauling back the train cars that done spilled the shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice that for a second.
And then that guy's on the shoulder too.
I can't tell if it's like the wind.
The Volkswagen just slowly backed out right in front of oncoming traffic.
I don't know what. Oh my god. Our entire day has been sitting.
I just want to go home.
Same.
You mind hopping out? Oh, that truck very much ran that light.
Oh yeah.
And then Hanson Brothers up here. There you go. I almost thought it actually was Hanson Brothers. It's Hanson Aaron's Service. The playlist of random shit is grunge.
Yeah. That's a bar, but then they also have a walk-up area too.
Maybe?
When we did Slickly Light Up Night,
Oh, yeah.
I walked. That's where I got my pizza.
That's where... Drive like you're from North Carolina. That's for damn sure.
He did like a song a long time ago with Charlotte, and it was like a very religious
The River,
song.
yeah.
The River, yeah. And I remember I'm like, oh shit, I didn't know I have shadows of religion.
Yeah, The River is a great... Really?
Like crazy.
It's just wrecking. If I lived in Ohio, I'd try to wreck my shit too. My might happen right in the fucking front of us. Jesus. I always almost do that where I forget that this one goes on to 19.
Yeah.
Here.
Really?
I've been in this exact spot because my when we were just riding with my buddy around my birthday, 2021, actually.
Oh. Hey, that's probably like a hangout spot for all like the
It
youth.
probably is. Oh.
Oh shit.
Someone stalled out?
Oh.
Wake up. New model year.
Uh-huh.
But it was meant for... Or no, it had air brakes, not hydraulic brakes.
Then what stuff is that? Oh my god. That sucks.
Unpopular opinion. Oh, that...
What?
No, that, oncoming car that was a little bit close. The car pulling out. Yeah, it's true. This truck should really work out his signal on the trailer.
I know, yeah.
He's lucky I saw that, because I almost did. I need to go in the left lane here. Major crash. I pressed X is out. Probably some car in the median.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh shit!
Fuck.
Okay, for the stage.
Yeah, that is why.
Okay,
Don't
yeah, I'm gonna go with
try.
yeah.